Special angles, frequently occurring angles in mathematics that does not require a calculator. If you look at the diagram over here, I have the shape of a finger. Here I have n, which is numbers before the finger, numbers before each finger. I have a formula that says sine theta equals to square root of n over 2. So here we know that the special angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, including their images. So if I go this way, if I'm to look for the sine of 0 degree, 0 degree is a special angle, I don't need a calculator for that, and I don't need to memorize. Sine theta, that is sine of 0 degree, equals to square root of n. And n says the numbers before the finger. 0 degree is the first finger, I don't have any finger before it. So it will be 0 all over 2. Square root of 0 is 0 over 2. And 0 divided by 2 is 0, meaning sine 0 degree will be 0. Sine 30 degree, I will go on sine 30 degree equals to square root of, this is where 30 degree is. I have one finger before 30 degree, so that will be square root of 1 over 2, which will be 1 over 2. So sine 30 degree is 1 over 2. If I still move on for sine 45 degree, sine 45 degree will give me square root of n. And the number before 45 degree, I have 2 fingers, meaning 2 digits. I'll be having n to be 2 divided by 2. Square root of 2 is an irrational number. So since I don't want to deal with points, 1 over 2 from the formula. Square root of 3 is also an irrational number, so I'll be having square root of 3 over 2. Moving on to the final stage, which is sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree, I'll still use the same thing, square root of n. This is where my 90 degree is. Number of digits before 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is 4, 1 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, I'll be having 1. So sine 90 degree is 1. So now to find for cos, I don't need to use any formula. I just need to invert this. Sine 0, which gives me 0. This 0, I'll begin with it at the last stage. So the first one here will be the last one. The second one will be the second. The third one will be the third here. Square root of 2 over 2. Then the next one, square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2. And the final one, which is 1. So cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is 3 over 2 continuously. And to get tan is simply sine over cos. So now going on with this, tan 0, sine over cos, 0 over 1, 0. Tan 30, 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. So if I go on 1 over 2 divided by root 3, from here I'll be having 1 over 2 times 2 over root 3. If you don't understand this, you can check out my video on division of fraction. 2 can go with 2, I will be left with 1 over root 3, which is 1 over root 3. Tan 45, sine over cos, square root of 2 over 2 divided by square root of 2 over 2. Any number divided by itself, and the answer is 1. Tan 60, square root of 3 divided by 2, all divided by 1 over 2. This will give me square root of 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. If you still don't understand this, you can check my video on division of fraction. 2 can go with 2, I'll be left with root 3 over 1, which is equals to root 3. So this will be root 3. And moving to the next stage, tan 90, that is sine over cos, 1 divided by 0, 1 divided by 0. I know that mathematically, whenever we are dividing by 0, it is undefined, meaning it has no definite meaning. And since it is undefined, I will just use the symbol of infinity. Thank you for watching. do like, follow. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll answer you immediately. And you can comment what you want the next video to be on about.